Hey there, welcome to Affiliate Engine AI, the world's first ChatGPT 5-powered app that builds, ranks, and runs profitable affiliate sites in any niche in just 60 seconds flat. Let's take a quick look inside. Once you log in, you'll land right on your personal Affiliate Engine dashboard, your complete control center for managing everything in one place. Right up top, you'll see a quick snapshot of your performance, total articles, total videos, leads captured, and total views for the month. It's your instant overview of how your business is performing. Just below that, you'll find the top 10 trending section, showing your best performing articles and videos this week. So you always know what's hot and what's working. Scroll a little further to see quick links, add articles, add videos, create ad campaigns, or grab your affiliate link, all just one click away. Pretty awesome, right? Next, head over to themes. This is where the magic begins. Choose from dozens of professional niche-based designs: fitness, crypto, travel, gaming, food, tech, AI, and more, built to rank fast on Google and convert visitors into buyers. Just pick one that matches your passion and click activate. In seconds, your site is live with a stunning layout. Everything done for you in one click. No coding, no design, no writing. And yes, these sites are 100% self-updating, work in any language or device, and come with zero hosting or domain fees. Now, let's add some content to your site. Go to Site Content, and you'll see two sections: videos and articles. Start with videos, go to Category, create a new one. Then move to Viral Page. Select your category, choose your source, YouTube or Dailymotion, and just enter a keyword or URL. The system instantly pulls hundreds of trending videos. Choose the ones you like, click Add Videos, and boom, they're published on your site, ready to drive traffic and commissions. Under Tags, add relevant tags to make your video pages even more SEO friendly. That's cool, isn't it? Now for articles, click Add New Article, and choose whether to create manually or from content provider. In manual mode, enter a keyword and hit Generate. The AI instantly creates a complete article title and description. You can spin or edit the text, add images, choose a category, add tags, upload your article image, then click Add Article. Or use Content Provider to pull trending posts directly from top sources with one click. Just enter a keyword, preview, and publish unlimited articles instantly. That's how fast you can fill your site with fresh, SEO-optimized, human-like content. Now that your site's ready, let's put everything on autopilot. Click Automation, then add New Automation. Enter the name, choose the type, article or video, select category, source, RSS URL, and keyword. Set your frequency type hourly, weekly, or monthly. Define the number of posts and duration. Once done, hit Apply. From now on, Affiliate Engine AI will automatically fetch and post fresh content, keeping your sites updated, ranked, and relevant 24/7 without you lifting a finger. That's powerful automation, right? Next, let's bring in traffic. Under Get Traffic, you'll find social campaigns and SEO settings. With social campaigns, you can share your content across major platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, Twitter, and Blogger. Just set your schedule and click Publish. Your posts go live automatically, bringing visitors to your site on complete autopilot. Move to SEO settings. This is where you optimize your site for Google. Add your meta title, keyword, and description, or simply let AI generate them for you. Even preview how your site looks on search engines, all right inside your dashboard. No need for extra plugins. Everything is built in. Now let's turn that traffic into profit. Click Monetization, then add New Campaign. Give it a name and choose from 100+ high-converting pop-up templates. Customize text, image, colors, triggers. Choose how and when they appear: on scroll, on delay, on landing, or on exit. Set scroll percentage, entry and exit animation, and frequency limits. Select which page to display on, schedule your campaign, and once done, click Publish and activate. Boom! Your site now displays eye-catching pop-ups that capture leads and boost conversions automatically. You can promote hot affiliate offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Amazon, Digistore, and more. Monetize with banners, ads, videos, and even your own products, creating multiple income streams from one site. Every lead your web form captures goes straight into your list section, where you can manage, segment, and connect them with your autoresponder. You can view leads, export data, or sync with your CRM. Affiliate Engine AI keeps everything organized and ready for follow-up. Under Stats, Analyze your performance with detailed reports for videos, articles, and social campaigns. See engagement, locations, devices, technology, and conversion data in real time. It's like having a built-in analytics dashboard that tells you exactly what's performing best. Go to integrations to connect your autoresponder, CRM, webinar, or even OpenAI. Simply paste the API key, and you're good to go. In settings, you'll find options for SMO, web form, sliders, legal pages, cookie consent, team management SMTP, and more. Everything you need to brand and customize your business your way. Now the best part, let's visit your live affiliate site. Click your website name on top, and boom, your live site opens instantly. A stunning professional affiliate site, packed with AI-generated content, offers, blogs, and automation. It's mobile-friendly, multi-language, and ready to start earning from day one. You can flip these sites for instant $497 to $997 payments, or keep them running for long-term passive income that grows while you sleep. And that's how easy it is to build, rank, and run your own self-updating affiliate empire with Affiliate Engine AI. Log in, choose your niche. Let AI build, automate, and grow everything for you, completely hands-free. Welcome to the future of affiliate marketing, where AI does the work and you collect the commissions.